we're at the boiler room, and it's my mom's birthday, so leave happy birthday in the comments, please. And we got the board.
We got the charcuterie board.
Yeah, charcuterie, and this is the cheese, I think.
A couple of types of cheese. We got the triple cream, yeah.
And
Some
here's the
olives.
bread.
Do you have a favorite?
Right now,
Yeah.
I would say the cheese.
You like the Gouda?
It's amazing.
Yeah. And then you like the salami and you like the terrine.
Oh
or
yeah, that
something?
salami is really good.
Yeah. Yeah. But so far, pretty good.
Oh yeah, really good.
Okay.
And I'm gonna try one of these.
The marinated olives. You got to be careful. They got a seed in them. All right. What do you think? Are they good? So, like, what would you give the charcuterie plate? Like everything right now.
Of this? Everything of this?
Yeah, 1 out of 10.
I haven't tried everything yet, so I can't say. I don't know.
But it's all pretty good.
I would say for the olives, that's a out of 10.
Nice. And then you really like the cheese and the meat so far, right? Yeah. What do you got?
I got the monkfish, and it sounds really good.
Let's take a look at that. Ooh. All right, let us know what you think. Awesome.
Tastes like normal fish. I don't know how to explain it.
Is it good?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. All right.
And I'll rate this a 8 out of 10.
8 out of 10? Wow. All right, we got the kitchen out here. They're working hard. And then I got the duck. And then Mom's got the salmon.
Yeah.
We're gonna try. What do you rate that, Mom?
I haven't tried the salmon yet.
Oh, you haven't? Here, see what she gets.
Okay, all right. So should we see? All right. Yeah, let's see. I'm gonna try that monkfish. That looks really good, Jack.
I know, and I want you to try your duck.
You wanna try my duck?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay.
9 out of 10.
9 out of 10. Wow.
Okay, let's see that.
So I'm doing my duck. That's really good. That's delicious. He's doing a tasting with Grayson. So
He's what?
he's doing a tasting with Grayson for his YouTube channel. He does food reviews.
I'm gonna have to find yours.
Yeah. I think it's delicious. I would say a 9.5, Gray.
9.5?
Yeah.
Okay, that's it for today.
Yeah.
Well, like and subscribe this video, guys, okay?
All right, here, look.
3, 2, 1. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, we're gonna have dessert, and I wonder how good it is. We're gonna have this one right here.
What is that? It's some homemade, like, kind of hazelnut candy bar
Yeah,
type
it's
thing?
really hard.
Okay.
You got
Is it hard?
No.
All right, you can give it a try? What do you think, Ray?
That's too good.
Is it good? You gotta try the ice cream too. Okay, you ready? So how's the dessert? 1 out of 10.
For both of them? This one would make it an 8. This one was probably like a 6.
6? Ooh, so you didn't love
This is
that.
probably like a 9. This one's a 9 probably, and that's probably a 6.
A 9 and a 6? Okay. You want to try Mom's
try
right quick?
this?
You want to try that one? Okay, all right. Okay. I don't know what this thing is, but it looks pretty amazing. Some lemon curd thing? All right, try that.
So good.
So good.
All right, you got it?
This is kind of hard,
Sorry, cut
jeez.
through it? All right. Okay, all right. What do you think?
Eight out of 10.
8 out of 10? All right. Okay, what do you say?
I like it good.